How to use Bluesky Social. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply search for Bluesky Social on your Google or any search platform, and after that simply open up Bluesky app. After signing up to your account, this is where it will take you. This is how your feed will look like. Now on the left hand side you can see all the different options that you can use. If you want to post a post, simply click on this option of new post, and after that you can use it quite easily, and it is just like the Twitter except the bots and scams. Here on the left hand side panel you would also find this option of feeds. You can customize these feeds according to your needs and requirements. Here when you scroll down you can see the various categories that you can use. If you want to go with the news section, simply select it. After that you can simply click on this option of pin to home, and after that it will appear on your home as well. Like on the right hand side you can see news over here. You can also go and remove it from your feeds if you want to, and this is how it will appear. Now you can check out all the different news in this particular feed. If you want to customize your own feed related to any particular stuff, then you can just simply search for SkyFeed over here and simply open it up. Now click on this particular link and it will redirect you over here. Now we need username or email address that you can use, so simply use your username of your account, and for the password we will just simply open up the settings. Over here when we scroll down we can find the option of app passwords. Now click on add app password, and here click on this option and select SkyFeed and click on this option of create app password. After copying this password, simply open up this tab and click on continue, and this is how it will appear. Now if you want to create your own feed, you can find this option of feed builder on the left hand side panel. Simply click on it. Now click on this option of create your first feed. Here you need to give name to your particular feed. Suppose I want a feed related to crypto. I will simply type crypto over here. Now in the input section we will select entire network because we want the crypto related posts from every user out there, and we can also select the amount of time that we are looking for this. So we will select 7 over here, and here you can see a remove block is already here. And if you want to remove something from any particular post out there, like if you want to remove any other language other than English, then you can also use the remove section. If you want to remove any particular word, like some word that you don't like, and if you want that particular word to be removed from all the posts that are in your feed, then you can also do that as well. Now here under the regex you will type the words that you want to see in your feed. Like since we are creating a crypto feed, we will simply include Bitcoin over here, and on the right hand side panel you can see as soon as we made the change, the feed changed accordingly, and all the Bitcoin related terms are there in this particular feed, and this is how it will work. Now select image alternative text and links as well. These two options will include all the Bitcoin related terms even on the link or alternative text. So this way your feed will include all these alternative text and links where Bitcoin is included. Now if you want to remove something, then you can click on this option of add block, and after that you can select this option of remove, and a block will be added over here. Now here you can click on this option. Suppose you want to remove the duplicate posts, then you can select this option of duplicate over here, and this way all the duplicate posts will be removed. And in the similar way you can also select any post which is not in English, so this way you would be able to remove non-English posts as well. Like just simply click on this option of language, and here you can select any particular language that you want to remove from your particular feed. So this is how you would be able to do it. Now I'm not going to remove any particular language because I don't want to make any person feel hurt because of this action, so I will simply remove this particular option. And after doing or making all these changes, you can simply click on this option of publish feed and give the description to this particular feed, and after that click on this option of publish, and wait for a while. Now after publishing your feed, simply open up your profile, click on this option of feeds, and here you can find the feed that you just created. And after you add it up, you would be able to find it over here quite easily. Now I can select this particular feed and wait for it to load. And here I can find all the Bitcoin crypto related news. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.